Hello everyone, this is the third tutorial for NSTEAM. We already have some container here. So let me say something about the layer. In the previous tutorial we show how you can add a new layer that have some container. When you start your model, you see the map, we have a drawing layer, so you can always add some polygon or link or node or some node here. Okay, or even you can have some kind of different type of node that have some kind of some icon there. So we have a drawing layer for drawing at the map, and you can add new layer. The drawing layer now have some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 container, and you can add the drawing layer, another layer, by importing the GeoJSON file. And it's important to have a name in your GeoJSON file because every container is gonna have a name. So we already add an EU layer there, and we can delete the layer, and I will later talk about how you can add model to this layer as well. Okay, in this tutorial, the aim of this tutorial is to make a very simple SD model. Let me uncheck the drawing layer here, okay, and select the Netherlands, show canvas. You already know how to why you have to go to the show canvas, modeling canvas, by just clicking on the stock, click on this page, flow. In order to unselect this drawing or adding component, you have to select this hand as well. So in order you can just change the position of the flow stock. In order to configure every item or every element here, we have a config. You have to click right on the items element, the modeling element, and you have some option for copy, cut, paste, delete, add to dashboard. We'll talk about that dashboard later, and save canvas, and we have a config here. Okay, you can change the name of the stock here, and this is the initial value of putting the initial value of the stock here, for instance 1000. Okay, and about the flow, you have I'm going to just call it rate, and you have to put the formulation for the rate here. And as you maybe already know, that the software is the Python based, and the syntax that you use is based, you have to use the Python syntax. So I'm gonna have some kind of random number here. Rand int is the package, randint is the function from the random package of the Python, 100. Okay, and you have to save your model, and we can run it. So in order to see the result, you have to add these to dashboard, and if you want to see as well, you have to add to dashboard. Okay, I'm going to save it again, and you can simulate it here, or you can get back to your main model and simulate it. It doesn't matter. So okay, let me simulate the model, and you have to wait for the result. Okay, result is ready. In order to see the result, you have to go to the dashboard. By just clicking on the show, there are too many options here for managing the dashboard. If I click the show, yeah, we can see our result here. And as you see, the chart is very small, so I'm gonna push the edit button, edit icon here, and make my model make the chart a little bit larger, okay, and reset again, show, okay. This is the result for the population, and this is for the result, the random. If you remember, we select the random number between 0 and 100. I think that's enough for this. So you already know how to model here and how to see your result here. Okay. Let me describe more about this Anysim software in next tutorial. Goodbye and see you soon.